Hey guys, what's happening? How to unsync or unlink Instagram from Facebook. So Instagram and Facebook are linked, so you're gonna have the same settings and the same options if you used both platforms. Let me show you how. Go ahead and click your profile icon at the bottom right if you're using Instagram or Facebook, right? Click the three bars at the top right, or in your case, click the settings gear on Facebook, right? And you're gonna see the account center or meta, whether it's above or below, depending on your update. And then I'm gonna go ahead to the account center or meta and scroll a little bit down to find the account settings, right? You're gonna see password and security, personal details, and down below you're gonna see accounts, right? So I'm gonna click accounts right here and basically select the account that I want to remove. In our case, we're gonna use Facebook. So I'm gonna hit remove and then go to continue to move, right? And then hit continue and then finish moving. We will no longer combine your info with any account, with any accounts remaining in your accounts center. So go ahead and click yes. And then you're gonna wait for a few moments, obviously, right? And then you're gonna be able to unlink your Facebook account. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.